Well, Vicki Rick, Brett Hankison was on the witness stand today for more than 2 hours. And while he admitted to firing shots into Breonna Taylor's apartment, he said it was because he could see a figure that he says was in a shooting stance. Now, Hankison, who you see walking out of court this afternoon, was referring to Kenneth Walker, Taylor's boyfriend. He fired a single shot when police rammed the door open in the deadly March 2020 raid. Now, Walker testified he fired his gun thinking someone was breaking in. Hankison, who was one of 7 officers executing the warrant that night, says the muzzle flash lit up the apartment and he saw the shooter, who he identified as a target and threat. He says his police training taught him to do this before shooting. He says he then heard multiple gunshots, which we now know were police returning fire. But Hankison says it sounded like his fellow officers were being executed. And at the same time, he says he heard Sergeant John Mattingly say he was hit. And Hankison became emotional on the stand today while describing that moment. He goes on to say he ran to the side of the apartment where he shot into Taylor's sliding glass door and a bedroom window. And prosecutors say those shots also entered a neighboring apartment. Hankison told jurors while he felt horrible about what happened that night, he would do the exact same thing because he was trying to save officers' lives and his own. And the defense also questioned a witness who was at the complex the night of the raid who said he did not hear officers announce themselves. And Sergeant John Mattingly also testified and made a shocking statement on the stand in support of Hankison, who he says is his friend. I'll have more on what he said coming up at 6. I'm Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.